Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create your own guidelines on CapCut PC. So simply go to background and select any color you want for the guideline. I'm just going to select this red one so I can see it a little bit better, and I'm just going to rotate that. Go to mask and select mirror, and you're just going to create a line here. And you're just going to copy and paste that to create two. Then I'm just going to select that and I'm just going to rotate it 90 degrees and I'm just going to copy and paste that. And now you have your guidelines. You can add even more and you can kind of like group them or something so it's easy to move. Or you can just do that. But you do have to extend the edge right here of the guidelines. And yeah, that is pretty much how you can create guidelines on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.